Hey guys! It's Megan and Sean Purdy from Traveling Our Purdy World.
And we're back.
We're back. So today we are going to talk about our upcoming cruise.
Yes.
We leave in...
like 3 days.
3 days.
Yeah, like
yes,
3 days.
3 days. We're going to go on the newly renovated Carnival Sunshine out of Norfolk. So we're excited to tell you about that. Excited to share our pros and cons and the new cruise port. But before that, we need to pack.
Yes.
So we're spending this weekend packing, and we figured we would tell you guys all about our packing adventure and what we're packing.
Okay.
So let's get to it. So we organized our thoughts based on first our room. So what do we need in our room? And again, we're going to talk about things that you would not think about packing. Obviously, we know you need to bring your clothes, your toiletries, stuff like that. But this is all the stuff that you don't think about and is just kind of
helps you.
Yeah.
It's little things that help your trip a little bit better.
Yes. We've been on dozens and dozens of cruises, and we kind of know how the cruises work for us and what we need. So follow along and we'll tell you about it.
Let's go.
So the first thing is a fan.
Fan. Let me see if I can bring it out here.
Sean's going to do show and tell.
Show and tell, like Vanna White's. Ooh.
Okay. So as you may or may not know, cruises and tropical islands get very, very warm. So you're going to get very warm yourself and from walking around and just from the temperatures. So you will need a fan. The cruise ships do have a few fans that they can loan you, but do not count on it because
the first come, first served basis. So
and obviously the elderly and disabilities and medical.
They get first dibs.
Which they should.
Right, of course.
Yes. So we always like to bring a fan. So we actually just found this fan at Target yesterday, but you can buy them on Amazon. You can buy them anywhere. We'll post links to all of the products that we recommend in the comments section, and please support us and
take a look at these.
Take a look.
We like to use the ones that are rechargeable. These are USB ones. At least it's portable, so you can take these around on the beach with you. You can clip it up in the room somewhere, but these are really, really nice.
So a fan, you need that.
Yes.
To go with the fan, don't forget your extension cord, and then outlet extenders are always beneficial.
Yes.
So we forgot to.
Don't have one of those, but like you've seen them before for like Christmas lights. Like you plug them into the outlet, and there's like 3 outlets instead of just the one. So those are really, really useful.
Yeah, because you don't know where the outlets are going to be, how far they're going to be away from where you want them, how many there's going to be in the room, all that type of stuff.
Yes. Limited. But
so
nice to have.
Yes. So then also in your room, you will need to organize your toiletries. So if you haven't been on a cruise, the bathrooms are tiny, the rooms are tiny, which is fine because you don't spend a lot of time there, but you want to be organized as best as you can.
So you use this.
Yes. So we bought this on Amazon. It's really cool. So it has a lot of different pockets. So first it has these really cool handles that you can clip to or hang on the towel rack in the bathrooms.
It even comes with a hanger too if you want. Right here.
Okay, turn it around. Okay, so then this shows what we use it for. So it has 4 different pockets, and I always put my toiletries in it. So I'll put my little shampoos, my deodorants, my razors, all that type of stuff. And then usually like this top section, I'll put jewelry. And then this one, I'll put makeup. And then this one, I just put like a bunch of random stuff like extra medicines, hair ties,
Band-Aids, stuff like that.
All that type of stuff. So that is something that is definitely in handy, and it closes up and it's very small and compact. You'll see that 99% of the products, I think probably every product, is compact.
Because it's needed. The rooms are not, again, the rooms are not big, but the better compact it can be, the better off you'll be.
Yes. First of all, you can't bring a lot of stuff on the cruise ships. You can, but you have to lug it around. Second, you have to, when you get off the cruise ship, you have to have one hand free at all times to go down the escalator, the fastest route. If you have a suitcase in each hand or all this bulky extra stuff, you can't take the escalator down. You have to wait for the elevator with 20,000 other people.
Right.
So
just takes longer.
Yes. Take as little as you can. So to go with that, we like to take as little as we can clothing. So we like to take a couple bathing suits, a couple lounge clothes, a couple dressy clothes, and that's pretty much it. And we like to reuse clothes as much as we can or do laundry on the ship.
Yes.
So one of the cool things that we found is
laundry hampers.
So
these are really, again, compact. I won't open it all the way, but it opens up to a full size. Kind of like college dorm laundry thing, but it's really, really useful. We bring about 2 of these because we like to organize our clothes by like dirty clothes, like sweaty t-shirts and bathing suits and underwear, stuff like that.
Stuff you're never going to wear again on the cruise goes into one hamper. And then the other hamper, we put stuff that we've only worn for like an hour. We wore it to breakfast and then we came back and changed into our bathing suit. Or we wore to dinner for, an hour and that was it. And then we came back and changed. So stuff that you can wear again, we put in the second hamper. The first hamper is stuff that we're not going to wear again.
And also you don't want to have organization. The room is small, so you don't want to have your clothes and your stuff just thrown about the cabin. Yes. So it's just a nice little area to put stuff in and have it its place. And it's just a really nice thing to use it for.
Yep. So then another thing, talking about luggage and having as little as possible, we found these really nifty luggage tag holders.
Yes.
So if you've been on a cruise, you know that you get these luggage tag papers that you have to print out and you have to cut and you have to staple and you have to do this and do that and then attach it to your luggage. Those can come off, those can break. There's just a number of things. They can get wet, whatever. So Amazon sells these clear plastic luggage tag holders that you still have to cut and print out these papers. But then instead of stapling them to your luggage, you just put them in this clear plastic thing and attach it to your luggage.
It has like a steel cable to attach it.
So it's not gonna fall off. It's not gonna fall off. It's not gonna rip off.
Together. It's really, really nice.
Can't cut it off. So really, really handy. I would definitely recommend this.
Yes.
So another thing that you gonna grab that. Another thing that we find really handy is, again, if you're a first-time cruiser, you do not know this, but you will get a little key card, which is used for getting into your room, buying stuff, any purchases on board, any excursions on board, all that type of stuff. You'll get this luggage card. Not luggage.
Sail Inside card. It's called Sail Inside.
It's like a credit card.
It's like a credit card looking thing.
Some cruise lines put little holes in it, and you can put attach lanyards to it. So like this lanyard is an example, and we use this for our keys, but you can definitely use it for the Sail and Sign, and it has a little clippy on here, and you just attach it to your Sail and Sign card. Some cruise lines don't provide the little hole, and you need more like a luggage tag,
like a plastic
like
sleeve,
this, but it's smaller.
Yeah.
So it's better to just have one of each. Buy one that requires a hole and buy one that comes with a clear plastic thing. Just so
It's really useful to keep track of that card because, again, you use that card for basically everything on the ship.
Yes.
It's really important that you don't lose it.
Yes.
So
you don't want to lose it. So then let's quickly go through a couple last things. So one other thing you want while you're packing is a medicine organizer. So we have this medicine organizer that we bought a couple years ago, and we use it to put all kinds of medicine. So we have ibuprofen, cold medicine, Midol, Pepto-Bismol, Tums, motion sickness, allergy, everything. So this is a huge saver. Again, very small, very compact.
Nice,
so this is something.
Too, so it don't get crushed.
One other thing that we want to mention is a towel. So the cruise ships do provide towels for you to take off the ship.
But they're bulky and they're heavy.
Yes. So we found this one on Amazon, and it is small, compact, microfiber, and comes in this nice hard case. So I would definitely suggest this.
A lot lighter and a lot easier to transport when you go into the beach.
Yes. So
yes, now we just got to pack.
Now we just got to pack.
We gotta pack.
This weekend we are going to be packing, and we will share everything about our cruise when we get back.
Yes, really excited to share it with you guys.
Yes. So follow along, like, subscribe, and follow, and we will continue to provide you great cruise news and cruise reviews. Thanks, guys.
See ya.
See ya. Bye. Mwah.